I'm going to be showing you how to add a user flare on Reddit. So adding a user flare on Reddit lets you show a label, icon, or badge next to your username in a specific subreddit. So adding a user flare in your phone is mostly pretty simple. What you need to do is open your Reddit app. As you can see, it's pretty simple. It's right there at the top. Just go ahead and open it. And once you're here, you should see something like this. So what you need to do is go to the subreddit where you want the flare. So once you find that subreddit, what we need to do is look at the top right where you can see this 3-dot button. Just tap there, and now you have this option right here that says change user flare. So that's what we need. Just go ahead and tap here, and you should find some avatars or user flare. Just go ahead and tap here and make sure you toggle this button on where it says show my user flare on this community and tap on apply. And now you have successfully added a user flare on Reddit.
I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.